Do you like the DIG3D.R Rotary Probe and want to install it on your CNC machine, but you're not sure how? Welcome to this video, where we'll walk you through some key information about installing the rotary probe properly. If you have enough space on the Z-axis next to the spindle, either on the left or right side, the best option is to mount the rotary probe directly to the Z-axis body. This type of installation provides the most stable conditions for probe operation. You just need to keep in mind that the probe moves along an arc with a radius of 26 mm from the mounting center toward the spindle during rotation. Make sure there is enough clearance between the probe and the spindle to allow for this movement. The spindle is typically mounted to the Z-axis so that the bottom surface of the collet nut is either flush with or slightly below the lowest surface of the Z-axis body. This ensures optimal use of the tool length as well as the full travel range of the Z-axis. In its home position, the bottom edge of the rotary probe should be close to the shared reference line of the spindle and the Z-axis. From the side view, it's best to position the probe so that the axis of the touch stylus aligns approximately with the spindle axis. This prevents any limitation of the measurable area in that direction. A 3D printed spacer can be used to properly position and support the probe. If there isn't enough space on the Z-axis body to mount the rotary probe, an alternative is to attach the probe to the spindle. For this, a spindle mounting clamp can be used. The probe is then mounted to the clamp. The height alignment in this setup is similar to direct mounting on the Z-axis. In the home position, the probe must not extend below the lowest surface of the Z-axis, but it should get as close as possible. This allows full use of the stylus length when the probe is in the working position. The clamp is designed to position the probe approximately in line with the spindle axis. The clamp includes 4 M4 nuts for attaching the probe, 2 M4 by 50 mm screws for securing the clamp to the spindle, and corresponding nuts. The clamp is defined by the spindle diameter and the clamp height. The final parameter is the probe mounting position, which can be on the right, left, or front side of the spindle. 3D models for standard clamp sizes can be downloaded from the link below the video or from the product page. At the same location, you can also download the 3D model of the rotary probe in STEP and STL formats for easier integration into your own 3D design. You can also order the clamp directly from the web store and specify the required dimensions. The clamp will be printed on an SLA 3D printer using ABS-like resin and includes the screws and nuts. If you need a custom-sized clamp, or you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us by email. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.